Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Rangextd Wi-Fi Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access, then this Rangextd Wi-Fi Extender setup is one of the best solution. The Rangextd Wi-Fi Extender is a device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover areas with weak or no connection. It helps improve internet speed and range in your home or office by extending your router's signal. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will discuss the product unboxing. Inside the Rangextd Wi-Fi Extender box, you'll find the extender device, a US and EU plug, an Ethernet, RJ45, cable, and a quick installation guide. These items include everything you need to easily set up and start using the extender. Now plug the Rangextd extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. This may take up to 1 minute. Using a phone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings on your device. Look for a new network like Rangextd. Tap to connect. No password is usually required at this point. Open your browser and go to http://192.168.7.234. The Rangextd setup portal should load. If prompted for login, username is admin or password is also admin, or leave blank if that doesn't work. Select repeater mode when prompted. Now the extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password, the one you use for your main router. Optionally change the SSID of the extended network or leave it as is, e.g., your network_ext. Click Apply or Connect. Once setup is complete and the device reboots, unplug the extender. Move it to a location about halfway between your router and the area with poor signal. Plug it in and wait for the lights to stabilize. Usually, solid green or blue indicates a good connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.